Hello guys, and welcome back to Lazi-Low Collectibles, and welcome back to a brand new video. And this time we have this Matchbox TV service van on the turntable, which is waiting to be restored. As you can see the state of it. So let's start with the car. So let's take a closer look of this car, which someone had a modification, a custom on it. And to be honest, in fairness, is not too bad actually. The guy had an imagination. Put the colors. I've got the door working, so that will go into the oven cleaner, so I can get that working. And this is as I said, this is a TV service van, but it's not going to be a TV service van. I have another idea what I'm going to do with this one. So I will cut these off and I'll fill the hole in. And I will do something else, but this car is crying out for a restoration because it is in a bad state. But I like these common vans. So I will take this apart, which is, I think, pretty easy. There is one pin there and one pin there. I'm not sure if it's gonna come apart because it's been heavily painted, but I will try my best. And I think I've got just the tool somewhere here. Let's see if I can take this apart with this bit. Not sure. It's pretty tight, so I might have to push this in. And I think the front, I push this in here, so the front is alright. And this should come apart, but as I said, it's heavily painted, but it does come apart. So I've got the base off. And this is the interior. I've got the door, which is working. I don't know why the phone is not focusing. And I've got the windscreen, which I need to drill out. And obviously have to work on it. It's pretty painted. And as you can see, there is, I'm not sure if that is metal or it's just been painted. So anyway, this, I will take the windscreen out and this will go into the paint stripper. And I will take off the tires from this one, and this also goes into the paint stripper. And I will clean this as well, the rolling door. Pum 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 pum. So this is the car before restoration, our TV service van, designed or customized by a kid probably, which is not too bad actually. You got 3 colors and some nice details, but I prefer mine after restoration. I did change the livery, so this is the evening news instead of the TV van. So I done some modifications, and I think I'm really happy. I love this one. So that's done. So I hope you liked the little van on the turntable. I'm really pleased with this one. I think it looks really good, and I'm glad I changed the livery. So this become an evening news delivery van. I like Comer vans, so this is one of my favorites, and I do like the color. This is the van yellow, which I normally use. It's really good. So everything refurbished, and it's also good roller. But these are obviously the old wheels. And I've got, I'll just quickly show you another 2 cars I've done. This is one of the cars I've done. This is a Matchbox number 5 London bus. And it's been sitting at my desk for a long time to be waiting to be finished. So that's also done. But there is no video of that. And I have this Matchbox Lamborghini Miura with superfast, the slim superfast wheels. And I've done a little bit detailings on this one, so I'm really glad with this one as well. This is a strange color. This one dries a bit longer, and this is a strange texture as well, but it looks good. So I do like this car as well. So these are the cars I've done recently. That will go on the channel, so that's gonna be the video, and these 2 is just for out of curiosity. So thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great weekend. Have a nice Friday evening. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you very much. See you next Friday with a new video. Cheers, guys. Bye bye.